Alrighty, welcome back, and this is like the fourth. I don't think it's up to fifth tutorial, but I think it's the fourth. So this is the fourth video, and in this video, I am just going to show you categories, as I said. So we're going to move straight on to categories, and we have a category uncategorized here already. I think, yep, uncategorized, and we won't delete it. We'll just quick edit, change the name to what I think, let's say graphics category, and the slug is graphics. It doesn't have a parent category or so. All right, now I'm going to update this. Now for categories are just like the way you explain categories in English. Like, you categorize stuffs, you put stuffs into where they belong. Now I'm just going to add some couple of categories too. Let's say programming, and the slug, I'm going to name it the same, and it's a parent category on its own. I can add description like this contains all the programming stuffs. Yep. And add new category. Let's go ahead and add one more category to, let's see, what else, what kind of category again can we add? All right, we can leave the two will do. Yep. All right, the two will do. Now we can create more categories under these categories. Like now if I view this by reloading the page, I should have, since I have a widget for categories already displaying here, I should have like those categories displayed. Now I can see graphics because there's a content in graphics, but I can't see programming. Now if I say I'm going to edit graphics, I'll be able to see that I have stuffs in graphics, like what, all right, like a post assigned to graphics. It doesn't show here. All right, so I'm going to open a new tab and just demonstrate it there. I would see that I have a post. Well, I can't see my programming. Where does it go? All right, so I can easily add programming and and add new. Just like I said, there's a post and it has its own category as graphics, so that's why we can see graphics category displayed there. Whoa, what's happening? A time with the name slug with this parent. All right, so okay, all the categories are there, and it shows that it only displays categories that are here. So now I'm going to just add a new category, a new post, and assign it to programming post, like my first Java tutorial. Blah blah blah, learn how to write Java codes. And that's just the body, and here I should be able to select the category to which I want Java to be. Now I can add another category under programming as Java. I can see Java, and it has Java as a slug, and it has a parent of Java programming. Oh, it doesn't display here. All right, I'm just going to select it here and publish. Now, when I do that, you should observe that I will have programming also displayed there. Now, only categories that have contents or categories that have posts assigned to them are displayed here. This is because you don't want your user to come and click something and it will lead him or her to a page that doesn't exist, or an empty page. That's not your aim. You want all pages to exist, and WordPress has made it easier for such to happen. Now, as you can see, we have graphics, we have programming, and I can reload this page right now, categories, and when I do, I should be able to see programming as one of the listed categories here. So in websites, you can add categories, a lot of categories, like hundreds, and only the ones that have posts assigned to them will be displayed. So that's how it is. Okay, let's try adding Java. Okay, we are adding Java as a name, and the slug should be Java, and parent of this category. Now we can select programming. So instead of having like here, instead of having graphics programming, then Java is a type of programming. We can have Java, C++, Python, all within programming, under programming, Java programming. All right, so now I'm just going to select programming as the parent, and I'll say it's under the, or it's a type of programming. I'm adding it. Now, if I do add it, it will display here as a type of category that is like a subcategory of a main category. This is now the parent category, and this is now the child category. And if we do a quick edit, we can definitely just from here. All right, it doesn't show here. All right, so we have to fully edit it for us to change the category itself, like for us to change if graphics is the parent category. And this is it. And now for this post, we can view all posts once more, and we can just assign this post, which is my first Java tutorial, under Java child category, and that on its own. Okay, so let me see a quick edit if it does work here. All right, so it's under programming, and under programming we have Java, so I can just tick Java and update, and that's just it. Voila. So reloading this page will give us the full details that we want for that category, and that's how categories definitely work. You just add categories, and it shows you what category or what post belongs to which category. And yeah, this is what I actually avoided. And now in some templates or themes, you can have this as a drop down. Like you can have under programming, you have, when you just hover with your mouse on programming, you should have a list of all the categories that have contents in them. So Java will just pop up in that case, and when you click Java, you see that post. But it's not the same here, because this theme doesn't support that. So all we would do right now is just to keep it under programming, and hopefully, if we still do have time, we will just add Java. We will just add I mean drop downs to these places, that if the theme supports it. And when we add themes, we should be able to see that we have a well looking a well categorized WordPress website, something like that. So thank you for watching. I believe that this particular video just shows us how we can handle categories, how we can categorize our posts. And we've seen parent categories, we've seen child categories, and we've seen how categories are created also, and how child categories are created under parent categories, and how posts are assigned to categories respectively. So thank you for watching, and I will see you hopefully in the next video. And I don't know what we're going to even do in the next video. I think we've installed a plugin which is a social login, and well, there are different plugins that have different functions, and I think we're just going to see how this plugin works, and from there, if you have any questions, you can just drop a comment, and I will definitely respond if I'm available. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next and possibly the last video. Au revoir.